Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Whether you call it turmeric latte or golden milk, it is nothing but apna desi Hindustani Haldi Doodh that our grandmothers have been serving us for centuries. Today, I'm showing you how to make a turmeric latte. First things first, we need to take some cold milk, which is full fat, and begin to heat this. Well, instead of full fat milk, you could use any nut milk, soy milk, or even skimmed milk the way you and your family prefer. While you need to keep stirring this milk intermittently so that it doesn't stick to the bottom as well as the sides, you also need to ruffle it like that so that it kind of starts developing a little froth, which gives the name latte. Because it's a turmeric latte, the most important ingredient in this recipe, of course, after the milk, is the turmeric for its antiseptic qualities and, of course, the classic Haldi Doodh. While grandmothers usually spin between brown sugar, regular sugar, or honey, I, for this recipe, personally prefer honey. So let's add in honey. As per your choice and taste, you can add it lesser, more, make it absolutely personal. Stir this well, and at this stage, your classic Dadi Ma ke haath ka Haldi Doodh is done and ready. But because this recipe has come from the West, we need to add in some more ingredients and make it a classic turmeric latte. For that, let's first begin with adding in some ginger powder. The idea of adding these ingredients is not to overpower the flavor of haldi, but to make it just a little palatable for the ones who may not like the flavor and taste of turmeric. The next thing that goes in is just a touch of cinnamon powder. And finally, to bring in all the flavors and to bring in a lot of these natural flavors together, I'm adding in a few drops of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Give this a nice mix and ensure that it gets one good roll boil before we begin to serve. The last step is the flame goes off and this straight goes in a cup or a kullad. Finally, I'm adding in just a touch of black pepper powder. And along with this, a sprinkling of turmeric. With this, your turmeric latte is done and ready, and trust me, it's 2019 and turmeric is going to be trending for centuries to come. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.